Dr. M3 here. I am in the car with my buddy Matt, who goes by C8 Supercars on YouTube. In fact, I want you to go ahead and check his channel out. I'm going to put it in the link above here, in the cards above. Go ahead and click on it and subscribe. Give him a subscribe. I think this is the first time I'm driving in your C8 with you.
The last one we did was the test drive.
So tell them a little bit about your new C8 Corvette.
This is a 2021 C8 Corvette. It has the Z51 package. It has 3LT interior. It has all of the suede Pittsburgh themed inspiration bits.
Exactly. So what's the exterior color?
It's rapid blue on the outside.
Rapid blue on the outside. I'm going to show you that in just a minute. But this thing is pretty awesome. We've had this conversation that, these cars are going for way over sticker now, really because there have been some production challenges. The availability is relatively low, so to speak.
It took me 14 months to get this one.
14 months, oh yeah.
So if you're impatient, you pay a little more.
You're going to pay a little more. But I'm going to just show you around the car here in a little bit. I just love the new digital dash, and it's very driver focused. You see, I'm sitting over here, and actually the cockpit of the driver sort of really infringes, right, on the passenger space.
You're way
all the way over here. But it's awesome. He's got the camera rear view mirror going here. Actually, I guess I can just show it directly. Not that it won't reflect, the camera won't reflect it in there.
I look into it all the time to make sure there's nothing in my teeth or my hair. Feels so dumb.
It's so weird. But this is just an awesome car. So I'm on my way, or we're on our way, to go pick up the Xago from Blackout Tinting. So if you haven't seen, they have a whole series on protecting the 1F10 Lamborghini Aventador SVJ Xago. I'm going to put a link for their channel, again, in the cards and in the description below, so go check them out. But they've done such an awesome job. They came all the way to Florida to take care of the car, brought it back here, and they're also now finishing up some stuff, doing ceramic coating on the exterior, interior, tinted the windows, and you're going to see that in just a moment. So we're kind of
going to look so nice.
I miss this thing. I'm excited to go see it again in person. So we're going to take you along for the ride. Such a gorgeous day out. And you love shifting this thing, man.
It's so fun. There's just so many gears.
You got 8 gears. You got one more gear than I do.
Who needs 8? I don't know.
Well, guess what? So you've got CarPlay in this too as well. I mean, the fit and finish of this car is unbelievable. There's a spot for your smartphone. It's got that upgraded speaker system.
It's got the PDR recorder, so it's always filming the front of the car.
Yeah.
So I can't show it now, but when you have parked, you can go through and watch
the whole thing. So it's basically a dash cam.
Basically a dash cam, and then you get all the inputs. So you can say, like, show me my steering wheel angle, show me my brakes. And,
Oh, cool. I didn't know that. In fact, I know he's going to do a feature, and he's done one feature already on the car. So go ahead and check his channel out, C8 Supercars on YouTube, and you can also find him on Instagram at the same name, C8 Supercar.
More videos will come.
So we're here at Blackout Tinting. You know they've taken care of my cars. You know Josh, who's the owner here, who's just been amazing. In fact, they have a whole series on getting to protect the Xago. And they drove all the way to Miami, to Fort Lauderdale, to Broward, to help me get this car on the road. And so I'm actually going to put that in the card above here. You have a playlist, right, on their YouTube channel? So go check them out on their YouTube channel. Go ahead and subscribe to that channel because they do some amazing work, and you just got to see it. And certainly if you're in the Western Pennsylvania area, and if you're committed, doesn't matter where you are in the U.S. and you want to bring their car, these are the guys to do it. So they just finished up the protection. They've done most of the car when we were down in Fort Lauderdale, and just wanted to go over and do a couple of things like doing the tinting, and they ceramic coated the car as well. And so Josh, just tell us really quick a couple of things that you've done and what it's been like with Xago.
Yeah, we absolutely love this car. Huge fan of Aventadors, you know that. And so this is sort of the epitome of, it's as good as it gets for Aventadors. So we wrapped the entire thing in XPEL 10 mil, which is the newest, thicker film. Every inch that you see, I would say the most fun's probably this engine cover. That's why we left it for last. There's a bunch of pieces there, a lot of grooves. And this rear bumper, the rear diffuser is protected the whole way underneath, all that carbon fiber. So it's been a blast. We've had fun with it. Sad to see it go.
Yep. And again, we want to really say thank you. Not only, I want to say thank you to Josh and Blackout Tinting, but also XPEL and Clareplex that also did. That's right, we did the windshield too as well. And it's all ceramic coated as well. So we're going to take this. Josh is not, I just surprised him with this. Josh is not driven the Xago yet, so we're going to take him out for a quick ride and get his response here. So let's go, right?
I'm excited.
It's a rocket. Seriously.